base station. Okay. So what we are going to do today is we are just going to complete the error analysis part. Okay. So first the division.
अरे congratulations भैया.
Okay. So error. What
कैसे हो?
today is error.
कल आया था आप दिखे ही नहीं.
Error division.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Let's join and let's basically try to understand what I'm going to say. Okay, error in division. So let's say we have two readings, A is equal to A plus minus delta A, and B is equal to B plus minus delta B. Okay, and what you are willing to find? You are willing to find Z is equal to A by B. Means you are willing to find A by B. So how you can write? You can write like this: Z plus minus delta Z equal to A plus minus delta A divided by B plus minus delta B. Okay. Once you write these things, what you can do, you can take common. What you can take the common from here? You can take Z from here, and it will be 1 plus minus delta Z by Z. And once you will take A from here, it will be 1 plus minus delta A by A upon, once you will take B from here, it will be 1 plus minus delta B by B. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay.
That's clear.
So we can just cancel out because we know Z is equal to A by B. So A, B, Z will be cancelled out. So in the next step, what we are going to do? 1 plus minus delta Z by Z, and we can just take this value, this denominator in numerator by raising the power minus 1. So it can be written as 1 plus minus delta A by A, and it will be 1 plus minus delta B by B to the power minus 1. So this you are getting now, this value is in denominator. So if you are willing to have in numerator, so what we are going to do, we are just raising to the power minus 1 and it will come to the numerator. Okay?
It's not visible, sir.
It's not visible. It's not visible to all of you.
That is.
It's blurred.
Sir, visible but not clear is there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. It will be clear. It's only due to the light problem. I think now it's clear.
No, sir.
If it is just listen to me. If it is not clear yet, what you can do, you can just my things.
Visible.
So very small.
Just listen to me. You can just listen my audio and you can just understand what I'm saying. You can go through my video when I will be uploading these things. It will be very clear to you. It's only due to the network problem. It is not going to clear on your screen. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So once you will visit to this my video lecture, then it will be very clear. I am very sure about it. Okay. So just solving it. So by solving it, it will become 1 plus minus delta Z by Z, and it will be 1 plus minus delta A by A. One important thing I am going to do is about the binomial expansion. Those are from the mathematics background. They know what is binomial expansion. And those are from the biology background. So still they will have some doubt, but I am just clearing it. Suppose you know 1 plus x to the power n, and you know x is less than 1. If x is here you can say delta A is less than 1. Delta A by A is less than 1. So once you will expand it, so it will be multiplied here and it will become 1 minus plus delta B by B. Okay? So now you can just multiply it. What you can do, you can just multiply it, both means these and these terms. You will get here, I'm just going here. You will get value 1 plus minus delta Z by Z. And once you will multiply it, so what you are going to get, this will be your 1 and this will be your minus delta B by B minus plus and plus minus delta A by A and minus plus delta A by A into delta B by B. Is it clear? Just see it. Is it become clear or not? This I have just multiplied and I already told you that delta A by A is lesser than 1 and delta B by B is also less than 1. So once you will multiply it, it will tends to 0. And 1 you can just cancel out and delta Z by Z can be written as, delta Z by Z can be written as, this will be plus minus delta A by A minus plus delta B by
Like
A. But if you are talking about the maximum possible error, then this will be for max possible error. So this will be delta Z by Z is equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. Okay, so this is the basically derivation. Derivation of what? Derivation of error in division. Derivation of what? Error in division. Is it clear? I hope it will be clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what next we are going to do? So we are just going to do the questions on the basis of the error. Whatever I told till now, we are going to do the questions. Before the questions, let's take one brief introduction or brief revision about the error in error in multiplication and division, both things. Should I erase these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's take one example. What example I am saying? This is given Z is equal to. Let me know one thing, whether when I used to write with red marker, it's more visible, or when I used to write with black marker, which one is more visible?
Sir,
Red mark. Sir,
black
red
marker,
mark.
sir. Black
Sir,
marker.
red marker has more wavelength, sir.
Okay. No, I'm just asking you that which one is more visible to you, all of you, red or black?
Red.
Red.
Black,
Red
sir.
mark.
Someone is saying.
Black, sir.
Someone is saying that red.
Black, sir. Black.
Black, sir.
Sir, black.
Okay.
मुझे दोनों से दिखता है.
Red, red.
Okay. So, that's fine. Let me fill the ink in the black marker. Then I will start. Now it will be. coming to the question, z is equal to a cube. Z is equal to a cube b to the power 1 by 2 and c and b to the power 3. So this is the question. A to the power 3, b to the power 1 by 2 and c into d to the power 3, and the question is find relative error. Find relative error in Z. What you need to find? You need to find the relative error in Z. Okay? So how you will find? You can see these are the multiplication term and this is division term. Okay? So I already told you about the relative error in case of the multiplication and division, and you saw that the relative error, while in case of the multiplication or division, both are the same. You saw, na? Isn't it? Means whatever I have derived right now, the relative error in a division, that was exactly similar to the relative error in multiplication. Okay? So what we can do right now, we can just expand it. How we can expand it? I already told you that we can write like this: delta z by z is equal to a to the power 3 can be written as 3 delta a by a plus its power 1 by 2, so it can be written 1 by 2 delta b by
1 by 2 into delta b by b
plus delta c by c by c plus 3 to the power 3 into delta
3 into delta d by d.
It can be written, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if they are saying that, if this is the basically this was the expansion, and if they are saying if percentage error in A, B, C, D are how much they are? It's 1%, 2%,
Not visible, sir.
3% and 4%. If they are saying that percentage error in A and B and C and D respectively, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4%. So find percentage error in Z. So for finding out the percentage error in Z, what you will do here?
The 22. The 22%.
Yeah, let me solve it. You will just multiply this term by into 100. So once you will multiply with 100, then this will become delta z by z into 100. So this will be 3 delta a by a into 100.
हाँ यार एक पेटी 50,000
Delta a
1 by
delta a upon a into 100 plus
delta b by
1 by 2 into delta b by b into 100
plus delta c by c into 100 plus rise of delta d by d into 100. So I already told you that what is basically the percentage error. So percentage error is basically this delta a by a into 100 is a percentage error of a, and this delta b by b into 100 is percentage error of b, and this delta c by c is a percentage error of c, and this
percentage error of C.
yes. So what you can do right now, you can put the values of delta a by this percentage error of a. The percentage error of a is 1%. So it can be written as 3 into 1 plus the percentage error in b is 2%. So 2 into
1 upon 2 into 2
yeah, 1 upon 2 into 2 or 2 into 1 by 2 plus delta c. C is 3.
1 into 3
C only, and this will be 3 into 1 by 4.
3 into 4
Oh, sorry.
the 4
3 into 4.
the 4
So this can be written as, we can just simplify it. This will be 3 plus 1,
3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2.
12.
3 plus 12. Yes.
Okay, so this will
So
become
22%.
15, 16, 3, 19. This will be 15, 16, 3, 19%. So who has
Yes, sir,
19%.
there will be 22%?
हमको शाम तक एक पेटी चाहिए.
Who is that? What's going on?
Kutubuddin, sir.
Kutub.
Kutubuddin.
Okay. So this was the question based on this topic. So coming to the more questions basis on this topic. Okay. So what is that question? Let me write. Should I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So next question is all about the mass of any physical quantity. Question: the mass of any object is 2.0 plus minus 0.01 gram, and the
Density.
volume of substance is 1.20 plus 0.02 centimeter cube. Find density of object with error limit. Getting my question? So what you have given the mass of the substance, and you have given basically volume of the substance. You have just found the density. What you need to find? You need to find the density. So who is that talking? The chat box. Kutubuddin. What's going on?
Yes, sir.
Kutub, what's going on?
So next time I will not going to allow in my class. I will just stop doing this.
सर चैट डिसेबल कर दीजिए.
Okay.
This Kutubuddin.
Okay. So coming to this question, what I have given mass and volume, and I am asking about the density. So how you can do this question? You can write like this: density is equal to mass upon
Volume.
This is the formula. Density is equal to
Yes, sir.
mass upon volume, and in short we can write
Volume.
rho is equal to m by v. Isn't it? Isn't it? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
One correction here, 2.4. Make it 2.4. Okay. So what you need to find? You need to find the density with error limit. Okay. So solution. First you find the density. How density can be found? So you can just do the divisions. The mass will be your 2.40 and this is 1.20. So this will be your 2 gram per centimeter cube. Isn't it? This will be your basically density, but we need to find out the limit, means our error in a density. So how this can be finded? So this is basically division process. In the division process, I already explained you how you can find the error. So this using the formula of division of the error, we can write here delta rho by rho can be written as delta m by m plus delta v by
Delta B.
Delta V by V.
exactly. So we can put the value here. Delta rho we have to calculate.
Yes, sir.
The rho is 2. We have calculated. So delta rho divided by 2.
By 2.
The delta m is 0.01. 0.01. And the delta means m is your
2.40.
plus
40.
this will be 0.02.
0.02. 1.20.
Okay, you can just calculate it. Delta rho 0.01 divided by 2.40 into 2 plus 0.02 1.20 into 2. So once you will solve it, so it will be your delta rho will be your 0.02 2.40 and this will be plus 0.04 1.20. So once you need to solve it, okay, and once you will solve this,
1/24.
so let me know, anyone has solved this one? Delta rho, what is the value?
1/24.
Huh?
1/24, sir.
Don't tell me in a fraction, tell me in a decimal. Anyone? Yes? No one.
Sir, 0.04.
0.04. Is it true, na? I'm just.
Yes, sir.
I'm just.
Yes, sir.
If it will be wrong, then it's your. It will be your fault. That's not my fault. Okay. So this will be your delta.
Yes, sir. 0.04 something, sir. 0.04 something.
Let's say 0.04. So you can write the density like this: 2 plus minus 0.04 will be your answer. This much gram per centimeter cube. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are coming to the one more question. Okay? So what will be that question? How you can solve that question? If I am saying about the volume, or means if there is a percentage error in the radius, then if you are calculating the volume of that particular object, so how it will be propagated? Let's see that. Okay. So I'm just erasing it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the question is, the radius of sphere is 3.
Sir, the radius of
Sphere is 3.3 plus 0.01 centimeter. 2 point, let's say 3.02 centimeter. Find percentage error.
After 3.02.
3.02 plus minus 0.01. The find percentage error in volume of a sphere. So you need to find the percentage error in volume. Okay. So how you will solve this question? So this can be solved easily. You can just write down the volume. The volume is 4 by 3 pi r.
IR cube.
Very simple, sir.
Okay, this is
Cube.
the formula. And you know, this 4 by 3 pi is a constant, isn't it?
Constant. We will remove this constant.
Yes, because this constant is not going to propagate any error. Okay, so once this constant means will be removed, then we can write like this: the volume is r cube. So this is a case of multiplication. You know, na? This is a case of multiplication. So we
Multiplication.
can delta v by v into thrice of delta r by r, and you are willing to calculate the percentage error. So for the percentage error, it will be your
Multiply by 100.
yes, delta v by v into 100 and thrice of delta r by r into 100. So what you need to do, you need to put the value of delta r and r. So this will become thrice of delta r will be 0.01, and the r will be your, means this r is going to be 3.02 into 100. Isn't it? So this will become
Yes, sir.
this one 3 by 3.02. So how much percent error will be there? Let me know.
0.99.
The 0.02%.
0.99.
It will be
0.99.
something.
Yeah, 0.99.
Yeah,
1%. 1%. Sir.
nearly,
1%, sir.
nearly
Approx 1%.
exactly what.
1%.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
1%, sir.
nearly. We can say equivalent to 1, but not exactly. That's why it's equivalent. Okay. So this will be your 1%. Okay. So this is the error analysis. Okay. So coming to the one more question.
Sir, I also have one question, sir. Please write it at the board and please solve it, sir. I am not able to solve this question.
Let me know the question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the question is ABC is a right angle triangular plate. Its area is calculated by measuring base BC as 2.00 plus minus 0.01 meter and angle C as 45 degree plus minus 3 degree. If the maximum possible error in the calculated area is plus minus x meter square, then value of x round off to 2 decimal place is.
Okay. So whatever question you have said, so better to send me in the message box by taking the image of that, because sometimes whatever you are saying, just I'm not means due to the network problem, I'm not able to listen properly. So it's better to just take the snapshot of that question, okay, and send me in the chat box, okay. So it will be better me to read this question and I will discuss that. Okay, no problem. You can ask me whatever question you are willing to ask. Be prepared. I can give.
Sir, allowed to share screen. Sir, allowed to share screen.
So you are
Yes, sir.
okay. Great. Yes. Now you share the screen. I have allowed the to share your screen.
This is the question.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Just hold on. Okay. Just hold on. So the question is, ABC is the right angle triangle plate. Okay, this is a plate, right angle triangle, and this is your A, B, and ABC's right angle has its area is calculated by measuring the base as BC is equal to this much is your 2.00 plus minus this is 0.01 this meter. Okay, base BC this one and the angle C as 45 degree. Angle C 45 degree plus minus 3 degree. Okay. If the maximum possible error in the calculated area is x, okay, in the area error, delta A is plus minus delta x. Don't write these things. Delta x meter square. Okay. Then the value of x rounded up to the 2 decimal is. Okay, now you can just remove the screen, whatever you have shared. Okay, so that my board can be visible. Okay, now it's fine. So you can see this one. They have given this one, this 45 degree plus minus 3 meter. You know about the area of the triangle? The area of triangle. Area of triangle is how much? It's a half base into height, isn't it? It will be
Yes, sir.
half base into height. So half base into height. But they are asking, they have given the uncertainty in the angles. Okay? They have uncertainty in angles. So what you can do here, you can take the formula so that it can include this angle. So you know about this. If it is 45 degrees for 3 minutes, like this tan theta, this will be tan 45 degree plus 3 minutes. This is perpendicular and this is perpendicular and BC is your base. The P will be your BC tan 45 degree plus 3 minutes. Okay? So you can just write here area of triangle and you can write the formula here. Area of triangle, that is A is equal to half base. Base is your base and the height can be written as your base into tan 45 degree plus 3 minutes. Okay? So this can be written by this way, this manner. Okay? So what you will,
Okay, sir.
what you will do here, you will just take the you will use the product rule here, and this is basically constant. So you can write here delta A by A, and this will be your B square, so it will become twice of delta B by B. Okay? And now the tan 45 degree plus 30 minutes. Okay, means 3 minutes. In this case, what you have to do, you have to see whether we can write in this form or not. It's actually the differentiation form. It's actually the differentiation form. What we used to do, we used to differentiate it. The time is going to be over. Okay, your question is still will be remain. Okay, the meeting will be.
Okay, sir.
Meeting will be over in a very. It's less than 1 minute. Okay, so it can be over any time. So we'll connect tomorrow and we'll discuss.
Differentiation
Okay,
means,
sir.
in this question, sir, calculus is also there.
No, we will take the differentiation. We'll take the differentiation of this tan 45, okay, and we'll do the rest of thing, because till now we have did. But the thing, this tan 45 degree plus 3 minutes, there is a fluctuation that is going to vary. That has to be differentiated. Okay.
So that is degree now, sir. 3 degree.
3 minutes, plus minus 3 minutes. Okay. So we'll discuss this question. Okay. The meeting is just going to be over.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow, sir.
And we'll discuss. Okay. Okay. That's it for today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.